Right, take two. I think we just forgot something, the switch on that. There's another try right here after we're cleaning up the sensor, the float. Yes! Oh! Yeah, got it! Yes! Thanks, no! Got it! You got it going! You got it going! Yes! Good job, Recto! He's running. He's running. Dang. Yes. He's running. Good job, Recto. It works. Hey, we can open our own business now.
In 1 hour.
All right. It's going, finally, after all that trouble. It's just the float. After cleaning the float, it just start right off, just like that. Awesome. Oh man, perfect. And this been out, I mean, we try everything. And it was a easy quick. Oh man. All right, Recto, good job.